in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up GoPhish on Azure. Let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to azuremarketplace.microsoft.com and search for GoPhish simulator. We'll click on this one by Hailbytes and we'll click on get it now. Let's click continue, and this is going to take us to the page we need to complete our setup. So this redirects us to our Microsoft account and we can set up GoPhish on this page. Let's click create. And the first thing you need to do is select your subscription and your resource group. Let's give our virtual machine a name. I'll name this my GoPhish. And select the region close to you and scroll down to the image type. Let's select the usage based monthly build and want to select the standard B2's machine. If you need a machine with a higher performance, you can select any of these two. I'll go with the first one. And the next thing we want to do is set up an SSH key. If you already have one set up, you can select an existing key, but I'm just going to set up a new one. So we'll leave the username as Azure user and we'll leave the key pair name as my GoPhish _key. So let's click on next. And the next thing we want to do is select the disk size. So we'll click on the image defaults. So you can use any of the disk types here. You can use the premium SSD for better performance or the standard SSD for regular performance. I'll select the premium SSD for this machine and we'll click on next to go into the networking section. Select the default GoPhish virtual network and select your subnet. So let's create a new public IP and let's go into the management section. So in this section, I want to select the auto shutdown option and let's go to the next section. So you can select if you want monitoring and alerts here, but I'll go into the advanced section. So let's scroll down and let's go into the tags section. And now we can review and create. So we have a validation passed message here and we are good to go. So review all your options, then click on create. So let's download the key we generated earlier. And this is what we are going to be using to log in to our machine via SSH. So Azure is creating our machine and the deployment is in progress. We want all this status to be okay and we'll wait for this to finish. The deployment is complete and I'm going to go to the resource. We have information about our machine here and we can access the machine via our public IP address. So let's copy this, open a new tab. I'll paste this here. I want to put in the port 3636 and I'm just going to put in HTTPS behind this and let's open this. We'll click on advanced and we'll proceed. I'll show you how to set up TLS in another video. So we are on the GoPhish sign-in page and we can get our sign-in credentials from our dashboard, help, and we want to go into the boot diagnostics. Click on serial log and you want to scroll down to the end of the log and you can find your login password here. So I'll copy this. So the username is admin and we'll paste our password here. So we are now signed in and you want to go to admin and you can change your password here. So this is how to set up GoPhish on Azure. In the next video, we'll take a look at how you can set up a custom domain and TLS for your GoPhish machine.